So welcome back, and I just thought I would show you a quick look of the B17 before we get into decals. So I've applied all the polished aluminium, the dark aluminium, some pale burnt metal, the jet exhaust, all from the All Cloud 2 range, over the airframe, and hopefully you can see it seems to have come out really nicely. I'm very pleased with the effect that we've got here. Particularly things like the exhaust staining, I think that's come out nicely on top. Didn't want to go too mad on top, it's a bit heavier on the underside, and let's see if I can just pick her up and you can have a look. And yeah, so, oops, hopefully you can see that. So made that a little bit heavier on the underside because very often they were pretty manky, to be honest, which is about as authentic, I think, as I want to go there. So that's the underside, and I think we're pretty much ready for the decals now. And so to that end, gloss varnish needed now for the fin, and I'm going to use some future Johnson's Clear, which I seem to have a fair bit of historically, and yeah, I'll get the decals on using that, and hopefully you'll be able to see how she turns out. But so far, so good.